Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use messages on TikTok and how you can actually send messages to celebrity easy in 2 simple steps, okay? Let's jump on the TikTok app. Let's say for example we wanna send a message to, I don't know, Alex Hermosi, okay? You click on the profile. And when you're at the profile, you have the option, if they allow you to send a message, you click message to the person. And there you have it. That's the legitimate account of Alex Hermosi. You can see 795,000 followers. You can send whatever message you like to. And the slim part over here, you want to make sure that your messages are very, very good, informative, and straight to the point. Because you only can send up to 3 messages until he accepts your first message. In other words, if you say hi and then wait for reply, he doesn't reply, then you say, I hope you're doing well, and then he doesn't reply, and then you have one more message, and it could be, I'm not sure you saw my previous 2 messages and you're done. So this is why you can probably skip the welcoming part and the etiquette, and you just jump straight to the point. Hey Alex, for example, I want the. Another pro tip over here would be to write 2 very long messages probably. And then if he doesn't reply, then you still have the option to poke him again. Things happen. You might end up, messaging him in the busiest day of his life, right? And you simply are out of luck. So this is why you always want to keep one additional chance to send a quick poke message to let him know, he can go back and read the 2 other messages. But essentially, this is how you can send message on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.